How to remove text from video in Capcut. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to remove text from video in Capcut on PC and Mac. You can follow the same process on both, so let's dive in. So here you can see that this is a video that I have added to my project, and now you can see I have this text over here that I want to remove. So now we are going to just play this video over here, and you are going to wait for the text to be removed. So here you can see there's no text over here. Now you simply have to choose this freeze option over here in this bar, and then you have to just drag this above the track over here, and now you have to choose this crop ratio option over here. Choose this option, and now just crop the area that you want to be added into your video that was with the text before. So I'm just going to crop it over here, and then I'm going to just show you what to do next. So once you have cropped, click confirm over here, and then you have to just reposition this. Now you simply have to just reposition it on the text, so drag it over here and then just drag this over here. Now choose this over here and then just reposition it over the text, and once done you can just adjust it where you want it to be, and I'm just going to adjust it a little bit more, and here you go. So now you can just see over here that my text has been removed. So that's the process that you can follow to remove text from your videos on Capcut. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.